His beard grew, but didn't grow as what he wanted. This is before the smart FE procedure. This is the custom design that suit for his face.
I just did my smart FEV beard transplant yesterday and it all went well. Here at Glomac, everyone was very professional and well prepared. At first I was hesitating about beard transplant, but after consulting Professor Dr. Just and watching the testimonies on YouTube, I felt confident in Glomac. So I decided to take the beard transplant procedure here and everything went smoothly. Here's the result of my beard transplant after 24 hours and I felt comfortable now and everything went well. There's no graft coming out and then the results looks very natural. So thank you Glomac for your effort. I would highly recommend to anyone who wants to get a beard transplant.